Meditation flowing, teaching us how. Let smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground. Babylon system try to hold us down, but the spirit lifting no frown. Herbal remedy for the weary soul, making us strong, making us whole. Let smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground. From the roots deep down to the leaves so green, this ancient power always has been. Open up your mind, let your worries go. Watch the understanding start to flow. Bless smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground.
There on the mountain top me climb. Wisdom a blow like breeze in time. Heart fi clean, me soul refine. Babylon change, me now combine. Me see the world in a different view. The truth a shine like morning dew. The meditation me passing through. Fi Jah guidance me a pursue. I meditation, Jah light me way rise up my spirit. Night turn day, I meditation. Me nah go stray, wisdom a chant, me heart obey. Them a run down gold, them a run down fame, me a run down peace. Me no play them game. Fire burn illusion, burn the shame. The most I call me, me hear me name. Roots dig deep like the ancient tree. Knowledge a flow like the endless sea. Me carry the truth, the soul set free in a Jah kingdom. Me destiny, chant it loud. Make the walls them fall. One love, one heart, for one another. The meditation, me stand up tall. Babylon crumble.
roots and leaves, make my spirit sure with the fire blaze. My mind explore the wisdom of Jah, it can't ignore. Her body teacher, her body guide. Open my heart, make my soul collide with the truth of life. It can't divide, one love, one breath, my spirit reside. Ganja tree, fulfill the need in a Babylon. We show the righteous creed. Burn the chalice, make the smoke rise. Wisdom flowing from Jah own sky. Her body teacher, her body guide. Open my heart, make my soul collide with the truth of life. It can divide, one love, one breath, my spirit reside. Chant down the system, chant unity.